Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insights into the latest home decor trends. Today, we're diving into something truly special for all you decor enthusiasts out there. The best Cardinal Bird Decor currently available on the market. Introducing the Cardinal Figurines red Cardinal Bird statue figures for home decor and cardinal gifts. This beautifully crafted set of 2 Cardinal figurines is not just about decor. It's about bringing a touch of nature and elegance into your living space. Whether you're an avid bird watcher or simply love charming accents in your home, these figurines are sure to catch your eye. Each piece showcases meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail, capturing the vibrant red plumage and serene posture of the Cardinal bird. Made from high-quality materials, they stand as a testament to both durability and aesthetic appeal. What sets these figurines apart is their lifelike representation. The design not only enhances the beauty of any room but also makes for a meaningful gift for loved ones who appreciate fine art and nature-inspired decor. Whether adorning your living room shelves, brightening up a study corner, or even gracing your bedside table, these Cardinal figurines add a touch of charm and elegance everywhere they're placed. Their compact size makes them versatile enough to fit into any decor theme. Now, before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite piece of decor that brings nature indoors? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. To conclude, the Cardinal figurines red Cardinal bird statue figures are not just decorations. They're statements of elegance and nature's beauty. Whether you're enhancing your own space or searching for the perfect gift, these figurines stand out for their craftsmanship and timeless appeal. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of home decor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful product reviews like this one. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.